So here's the thing. In my yoga lineage, we believe that asanas, so yoga postures, yoga positions, flows, yes, they help you to be a better person and to have a more fulfilled life. And they also help you to meditate better. So here's a really fun, easy, and very short little yoga flow that you can do before you sit down for your daily meditation practice. And come sitting in easy pose. Let your eyes close, bring your hands down to the knees and circle your upper body clockwise. And as you're circling, inhale as the body moves forward. Exhale as the body moves back, breathing through the nose. And also remembering to circle the pelvis and just begin noticing the sensations in the body, maybe the air flowing on your skin. And circle in the other direction. Coming up to center as you inhale deeply, hold the breath in for a moment and exhale. Placing your hands where they feel most comfortable, maybe on the thighs, on the floor beside you, in your lap. Begin circling your head around the neck. Coordinating the movement with the breath, exhale forward and down, inhale up and back. And circling in the other direction and remembering to let the jaw relax, let the forehead relax. Head floats up to center, fill the lungs, suspend the breath. Exhale all the air out. And just for a moment, breathing, noticing the breath. And preparing for a triangle flow, coming onto your hands and knees, hands shoulder width apart, a little bit in front of the shoulders, your legs hip width apart. And on the inhale, we're going to come into a triangle, aka downward dog, curling the toes under, pushing up and back. And for the exhale, coming into cobra or upward facing dog, knees on the mat, tops of the feet on the mat, hips move forward and down, and continue this breathing and moving pattern. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, down and forward. Allowing the breath to move you, the breath to set the pace. Stay with the breath. Stay steady. You're almost there. Last one. In your cobra, in your upward facing dog, inhale, suspend the breath. And on the exhale, push back so you're sitting on the heels. Maybe make some space between your knees, your arms long in front of you, forehead on the mat. Feel into the body and into your breath. And slowly pushing up, coming into your meditation posture, and begin your daily meditation now that your body is ready to support you in your meditation. Sat Nam.